Come close. Ooh. Tonight, we return to the days when animals spoke.
There lived a clever, greedy tortoise named Mbe. One day, the birds announced a grand feast in the sky.
Mbe begged and tricked them into lending feathers.
In the sky, a glorious feast awaited. He renamed himself All of You and ate everything. Angry, the birds took back every feather. Stranded, Mbe leaped, falling toward home. But he landed on stones. His shell shattered.
They repaired him, but the cracks stayed forever. And that is why the tortoise still carries his cracked shell.